Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about JavaScript Operator Precedence. It might sound complex, but fear not. We are here to make it crystal clear. So first of all, we are going to talk about what is operator precedence. Well, operator precedence is all about the order in which JavaScript evaluates operator in an expression. Knowing this order is essential to avoid unexpected result in your code. Now for a detailed view of the operator precedence table, you can explore MDN website and you can search MDN operator precedence table. After this, click this first link, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see at the end of the page we have this table, and in this table, first of all, we have precedence value for each and every operator, and this table provides us with insights into the order in which operators are evaluated within an expression. Keep in mind, in this table, operators with higher values are prioritized, ensuring they are evaluated first in an expression. This resource is incredibly useful how JavaScript processes complex expressions. Now let's dive into some examples to make this concept clear. Now here I am just creating a variable and I am giving it a name expression1, and here I am creating an expression 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Now what do you think the output will be? Now let's console.log this expression to check its output. And here you can see we have the output which is 11. And in this expression, the multiplication operator takes precedence over addition. So the result will be 11, not 21. This is where knowing precedence matter. And in this expression, this multiplication has higher precedence value. Let's see this in our MDN operator precedence table. You can see the precedence value of this multiplication operator is 12. And after this, we have addition and subtraction with the value of 11. Now in this example, if we want to prioritize these two numbers to be evaluated first, we just need to use parentheses around these two numbers. And using these parentheses, we can explicitly set the order of operations. JavaScript computes what's inside the parentheses first, then multiplication, and first it adds these two numbers, giving the result of 7, and then multiplies 7 by 3. And now that is why we are getting 21. Now I am going to show you another example, and here I am creating an expression 2, and then we have 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. And now I just console.log this expression 2 to show you the output of this expression. And here you can see we have our output which is 8. Now in this complex example, JavaScript still follows its precedence rules. Multiplication and division operator have a higher priority than addition. So it calculates 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 first, which result in 6, and then it adds 2 plus 6, providing a final output of 8. And at last I want to show you the example for equality and arithmetic. Now here I am creating expression 3, and in this expression we have 5 plus 3, and now after this I am just using equality operator and I am setting it equal to 8. Now let's see what we can get after logging the result of this expression, and we are getting true. Now this example combines arithmetic and comparison operators. JavaScript evaluates 5 plus 3 first, which equals to 8. Then it checks if 8 is equal to 8 resulting in true. If you were to change the arithmetic operation and get a different number, the output would be false. And that's it. Understanding operator precedence is vital because it helps you predict how JavaScript will evaluate expression in your code. It ensures your code functions correctly by following the proper order of operations. And operator precedence is like the unwritten rules of JavaScript. Understanding it empowers you to write precise and predictable code. That's a wrap on JavaScript operator precedence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I will see you in the next video.